Hey everybody, welcome back to Cades and Trading. It is Thursday, January 16th, 2025. I always have to look down at the bottom right corner of my screen to know what the hell day it is. Anyway, this will be fairly quick. I want to get through this fairly early because I got to get my kids to their karate lesson. But going through the market today, starting with stuff that looked good, or at least was up anyway. By the way, it's like 10:04 right now, so I'm doing this a little bit before the close, but we'll run through it. Looks like there might be a couple of opportunities, although I will say this market, there's not a lot of reassurance in what's going on right now. It's like a seesaw, you know, things are up and down. One day it's up, next day it's down, and it's not very consistent right now. It makes it very difficult. And today is kind of why I prefer to trade the way I do, where I'll buy something at the end of the day one day, turn around the next day when I think it's near what might be its high, and just get rid of it. As long as I have a gain, you know. That's all I care. And sometimes it comes back to bite you. I mean, a lot of times you'll end up selling way too early. But as I always say, man, no one ever lost money taking a gain. So let's start with yen. Yen is sideways and not doing much of anything, so we're going to skip that one. SPXS, no, it's coming down, not looking good. SLV, coming up, good volume today. It is kind of at a resistance area, so it's got potential, but it's not great. My indicator doesn't even know what to do. It just showed a buy signal there, and then it flipped away from it. So yeah, it doesn't know. WebL, downtrend. I'd avoid that for now. No volume either. TNA, going back up to this resistance area, support resistance line. Wouldn't touch that. Tech S. Had a nice little coming up over here, but then falling back down. Hard to say. This is another day where, you know, some of the bulls are up, some of the bears are up. It's really tough. This one I would avoid, SQQQ. ERX just keeps on chugging along though. This thing is fantastic. And I'll keep saying it, I wish I never sold it. GDXD, just stuck in the downtrend. TMF, starting to turn around, gapped up. Still though, I mean, I wouldn't be trying this while it's in this big downtrend. FAS, I mentioned this one yesterday that it looked like it was good. It still looks good. In fact, looks possibly even better today. So yeah, this is one that I'd be considering. BITU, another one that looks quite good. Looks like it's just starting a new uptrend. That could be nice. So between this and FAS, those are the two best ones so far. Hard to say which one looks better. Both of them are good. FNGD, I just don't trust the bearish ETFs yet. This one's actually very sideways at the moment. LabD was up a bunch, coming back down, very volatile, tough to trade. You got to pay attention all day long on something like that. SOXL, I was watching this earlier this morning because it started out really well. Looks like it was going to be off to the races and then just kept on creeping downward. So that's an avoid. ETHD, not really doing anything, so that's an avoid. DRN, basically just got back to everything it had yesterday. I had lost all this stuff yesterday after a gap up and then came back and back to the highs. It's still, though, it's got to overcome this downtrend, so I wouldn't touch that. And then Boyle. My goodness, Boyle just crushing it today, up another 9%. Maybe this is, you know, it could be a cyclical thing where January, at least in the East Coast where I'm from, it's really cold around here, so natural gas prices are probably going up, you know? That's how I think of it. And yeah, I keep thinking, like, if I had gotten in on this down here, what a nice gain that would have been, but no such luck. So, like I said earlier, FAS and BITU, these two guys look like the best bets for today. I'll come back tomorrow and we'll see how they did. I haven't bought anything yet. I am considering both of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy either of them, both of them, or none of them. Just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't even know what I want to do with these ETFs yet. So, but anyway, if you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I plan to do this every single stock market trading day that I can. So thank you very much, everyone, and have a good one. Happy trading. See you, everybody.